Hi everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Basics. My name is Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting topics, festivals and traditions.
Festivals and traditions are a big part of our lives. They bring people together and they're a great way to learn about different cultures.
We'll teach you how to describe festivals, talk about your favorite traditions, and share experiences with others in English. Let's get started. First, let's learn some useful words to describe festivals and traditions. Festival names.
Here are some common festivals around the world. Christmas, a Christian holiday celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ. Diwali, the Hindu festival of lights. Chinese New Year, celebrated in many Asian countries to mark the Lunar New Year. Eid, a Muslim holiday marking the end of Ramadan. Thanksgiving, a North American holiday to give thanks for the harvest.
Example sentences. We celebrate Christmas with a big family dinner. Diwali is my favorite festival because of the beautiful lights. Common words for traditions.
Let's learn words to describe traditions. Customs, actions or practices passed down through generations. Rituals, specific activities done in a certain order. Celebration, a joyful event to mark a special occasion.
Examples. It's a custom to exchange gifts during Christmas. Lighting candles is an important ritual in Diwali. Vocabulary for activities.
During festivals, people do many activities. Here are some examples. Decorate, to make something look beautiful. Exchange gifts, to give and receive presents. Sing songs, for example, Christmas carols. Cook special food, preparing traditional dishes for the holiday.
Examples. We decorate the house with lights for the festival. It's a tradition to cook special sweets during Eid. When describing a festival, you can talk about the name of the festival, when it happens, what people do, why it's special, name and timing.
Start with the name and timing. Christmas is celebrated on December 25th every year. Eid happens after the holy month of Ramadan.
Examples. Chinese New Year usually falls in January or February. Thanksgiving is celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November. Activities and traditions.
Describe the activities. On Christmas, people decorate a tree and exchange gifts. During Diwali, people light lamps and burst firecrackers.
Examples. For Eid, families come together and enjoy a big feast. On Thanksgiving, people eat turkey and pumpkin pie. Why it's special.
Explain why the festival is important. Christmas is special because it's a time for family and giving. Diwali symbolizes the victory of light over darkness.
Examples. Eid is a time to show kindness and share with others. Thanksgiving is about gratitude and spending time with loved ones. Festivals often involve special foods and clothing. Let's learn how to talk about them. Traditional foods.
Use these phrases. We eat, name of dish. A traditional dish for festival is name of dish.
Examples. We eat turkey and mashed potatoes on Thanksgiving. During Eid, we enjoy dishes like biryani and kebabs. Traditional clothing.
Describe clothing with these phrases. People wear name of clothing during festival. Traditional outfits include.
Examples. On Diwali, people wear colorful saris and kurtas. For Chinese New Year, people often wear red clothes for good luck. Let's practice describing your favorite festival.
Start with the name and time.
Example. My favorite festival is Christmas. It's in December.
Example. I love Diwali, which happens in October or November. Talk about activities.
Example. We decorate a Christmas tree and exchange gifts.
Example. During Diwali, we light lamps and burst firecrackers. Share why you love it.
Example. I love Christmas because it brings the family together.
Example. Diwali is my favorite because it's full of lights and joy. Talking about Christmas. What's your favorite festival, Alex?
I love Christmas. It's so festive and joyful.
How do you celebrate it?
We decorate a tree, exchange gifts, and have a big dinner with family. Talking about Diwali. Emma, what's your favorite festival?
It's Diwali. I love how everything is decorated with lights.
Do you have any special traditions?
Yes, we light lamps, wear traditional clothes, and enjoy sweets.
Before we finish, here are some tips to talk confidently about festivals in English. Learn key vocabulary.
Make a list of words related to your favorite festivals. Practice descriptions.
Use simple sentences to describe the name, timing, activities, and traditions. Be enthusiastic.
Festivals are fun. Show excitement when talking about them. Outro.
That's all for today's lesson on festivals and traditions.
Now it's your turn. Share your favorite festival in the comments below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more lessons.
See you next time.
Bye.